look at this in here. Guys, I just got disinfected. That feels good. Happy. Now I'm gonna go and see the sunset over Manila Bay. Join me, guys. So they do have fresh fish. Hi guys. You have ano? See, this is what it's called. Seascape. Seascape Village. Bay Market, Wet Market, and Paluto. Ayan. So you can come down here. I will just show them what you have. Wow, you have so many fish, huh? Wow, ang ganda talaga. Oo nga. Mahal ba? Ay, hindi. Mura lang?
Yes.
Wow, fresh na fresh, huh?
Yes. From
Hey, I'll come over to you then, don't worry. Oh yeah, look at the crab, he's still moving there.
Yes.
Wow, fresh na fresh. So you're here every day?
Yes,
Every day. Wow, this is a great place. You can come down here to Ada's store. What's your store, Ada?
Sharon and Lorna Ilonggo.
Sharon and Lorna Ilonggo.
Yes.
Fresh seafood. Yeah. Wow, look at those fish, guys. You should come down here and you should try this. It looks just amazing. Lobsters. Oh nga no, ang ganda talaga no. Wow, that is so nice. Wait lang, ayan. Wow. Okay, I will take a look at this lobster then. Thank you, ha? So Sharon and Lorna. And then over here, there's another fish with Kuya. Wow, you also have a nice big lobster. See, okay, your name is? Nine. Okay. That's also Ilonggo, huh? Wow, that's a big one, Kuya. That's really big, huh? Wow, look at how big that is. From Palawan, huh? How much is it? Magkano yun isang kilo? Kuya, magkano isang kilo ton? 2.8.
Yes,
1 kilo.
It's more than 1 kilo.
That's, oh, of course naman. Wow. Sige. Nice.
This one, crab.
Oo nga. Wag na no split, Kuya, ha? Ayun, look at the crabs, oh. Wow. So guys, you should come down here to eat, huh? Uy. It's a jumping crab. Come down here to eat, guys. Sopa masarap talaga, no? Look, oh. Dami fish. Oh, somebody's coming to buy na. Yan. Thank you. Oh, so come down here to eat your food at the Seascape Village. Oh, Paluto, Wet Market, no? Ayan, you see it? Ayan. Thank you, huh? Whee. All right. So this is a good place to come down to eat, guys. Alright guys, so I'm here at the Seascape at Manila Bay. It's a great place to watch the sunset and bring your family to enjoy the evening. So I would like to say thank you all so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you next time.